Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on second unit of GIS, Geographic Information System, and this video is for English medium students of final year. So this video would be in two parts. Take screenshots of these points. They were really important from the examination point of view. Now let's begin the topic. Thank you guys, and do check my second part of this video for detailed informations, and don't forget to like and share your views by commenting on this video. Let me know if it's useful or needs some improvement for this content.